What's going on, guys? Back for a vlog. I called my mother and asked her what was going on over here where she lives. She told me that they're reaping potatoes. So I came up here to see what they look like. I've never seen them actually reap potatoes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Come along. Yeah, so Pizza Man was telling me that these potatoes right here, they allegedly send these overseas, and these tiny ones
are for Jamaica.
Are for Jamaicans.
Yeah.
So the big potatoes for foreign countries, small potatoes for Jamaicans. That's probably a lie, but
not a lie.
That's a lie.
No, not a lie. No, not a lie.
It's a lie. I don't eat small things. I eat the biggest things in my
Big potatoes for who?
For American.
And small potatoes for who?
Jamaica. yeah, Jamaica. That's how we do it. We try to get the best in America. Because they are the place where we get the good currency.
What about Canada and Europe?
Yeah, anywhere across the line. That's where we send it. We get the best money. So you see the little one them now? Yeah. Sometimes the little that we can't peel them. We have to scrape them and put it in the pot for Jamaica.
So why you don't keep the good potato for yourself?
Because if we do that, we're dead for hungry out here. Because we can't invest the money nowhere else.
Oh.
Yeah, so we have to send it abroad.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I love seeing them for out night there sometimes. Go and look. I just did it. That's just a light on ground, you know.
Jamaicans are very risky.
Risky, yeah.
Oh.
So it's not really that we don't want the big one, but the people abroad, they like the big things, you know.
Oh.
So we let them get it. And we stay out here and risk ourselves.
Oh.
Yeah.
That makes lots of sense.
Yeah, but so how we gonna make life? Eh?
So who gets that big potato right there?
This is for America, Canada, England, Europe. You name them. But at the same time, no, the same thing in the big is in the small. No? So that's why we don't really.
Oh.
You see me?
So it's a trick.
Yeah, it's not really a trick.
So Americans think they're getting the good potato, but they're really getting the same thing as the small potato.
They get the same nourishment.
Yeah.
But at the same time, they get a size.
But they get to feel better.
Yeah. When they're peeling, they don't have to cut off their finger.
Oh, okay.
We Jamaican like to take risks, man.
So Jamaicans can cut off their finger, but...
No, not really like we're gonna cut off a finger, but we are a risk taker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So where you get the name Piece of a Man?
Eh?
Where did Piece of a Man come from?
Piece of a Man. I'm blessed by the Almighty Jino. It a come from a Joshua and the name there. The name there just come normal so. A traditional thing. You see me, the name there come from the Bible.
Oh.
You see me?
Oh.
So Pizza Man come from the Bible?
Yeah, it a come off of it. Insulate. Translate or insulate. You know how you want to get in that shit? So late. So late tonight.
And a joke in a Shan?
Shan a laugh out it.
I laugh in my time.
I give that a laugh out.
No, you can't play with the man when you're good. Just like if you're good.
He come like a your ganja feel, man. He mad off everything. A Satan. Be them miserable and cross.
You run like a thief. Oh no. Come on, man. You can't. Come on, man. Yo, I've been engineer running a dark. Yeah, rep done so quick. If it's over, it come.
We just get the salt fish or the salt mackerel with your coconut and make it run down. You boil it off the same potato pan the same salt fish.
Yeah.
Oh God, man, delicious, man. Very delicious.
You work too hard to have a lazy woman.
No, I can't manage a lazy woman. And I feel that any woman on welfare must be a lazy woman.
Oh.
They are depending on the government.
Nobody wants a girl that's on welfare.
I need someone, man, who can make 2 ends meet. No, do you? Can't manage the welfare, them, master.
You don't want no woman on welfare?
No. All the days of their life, what are they doing up there? What are they doing up there? Eh?
Living life.
Living life? That's not good enough.
Yeah, row by row.
You have to build life.
Oh, you have to build life.
Yeah, you know, just try to live life. You try to build life too.
Oh, that makes sense.
The one on the welfare, that's not good enough. piece of work too hard to have a lazy lady. You understand?